Hey everyone, thank you for checking out Moonlit Mocks. So if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're getting a strange error with your newly purchased Moonlit Mock where your artwork is just not quite looking right. A couple ways we've seen this show up is if your artwork looks a little one-dimensional, like it's not actually hugging the curves and wrinkles of the shirt. You might have also tried to save your artwork and seen the error message, could not update Smart Object file because the file was not found. Or another thing that might be happening to you is your artwork is looking really glitchy and pixelated. Either way, the smart object is probably the culprit, and I'll be walking you through what to do in this scenario. First, I quickly want to address the reason why you might be getting this error. Sometimes when a Photoshop file is open for the first time on a new computer, it just doesn't quite know where to look for its linked files. Luckily, it's a pretty quick fix. We have our Bella Canvas mockup opened, and then I've actually gone ahead and toggled this place artwork here. We've got this little arrow which will reveal the layer effects in the panel. So why I want to do that is I just want to take a look at my smart filters to point out to you guys, if you'll see this, we've got two on here and they both have the little eye right here at full opacity, which means that they're working. But now I'm ready to add my artwork, so I'm going to go ahead and double click this. I'm going to hide this folder. I'm going to pull in this little logo here that I've prepared, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save. For me, that's Command S. And this is where I get the error. So it says could not update smart object files because the file was not found. Okay, well, I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to close this, and it kind of looks like it did bring in my artwork file, but I'll notice over here that my eyes are no longer at full opacity. I'm not actually seeing one at all on the smart filters here, which means that they are not currently in use. So I need to find the displacement file, so I'm going to do that by double clicking on displace. I'm going to say OK here, and I get all these options. These are already preset and should not be changed, so I just hit OK, and it's going to ask me to go ahead and find that file. So I have mine in my downloads. This is the displacement file that came with. We can see that this is the mockup that we're in right now, so I'm going to go ahead and locate my displacement.psd file, press OK, and here we can see that it made some changes there. So just like that, that's all you need to do to fix your smart filter. I've also prepared I've recreated this kind of glitchy error that some of you are getting. Again, same fix here. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and toggle this arrow next to the place your artwork here. And if I double click on displace, just say OK again. Again, don't want to touch anything here. And I want to make sure I've got the right one. Nope, see, this is where it gets confused. It thinks that I'm on my old file. So I'm going to open up this one, which I know is the right one. I'll just show that to you guys here. And I'm looking for displacement.psd. I press OK, and there, it should be fixed. So if you can't find that smart object filter, again, you're just looking for this arrow that toggles it up and down here. You're double checking to see that these are working, but more often than not, the displacement file and the smart object is the error. So that's it. Be sure to check out all our other amazing mockups we have in our shop featuring real models wearing genuine brands like Bella Canvas, Comfort Colors, Next Level, and more. Link below in the description. And feel free to email us if you have any other questions. Thanks for checking us out.